বাংলাদেশ চীন মৈত্রী সমিতির উদ্যোগে লং লিভ বাংলাদেশ চীন ফ্রেন্ডশিপ সেমিনার চলছে। সেখানে উপস্থিত আছেন স্থানীয় সরকারমন্ত্রী মির্জা ফখরুল ইসলাম আলমগীর। এই মুহূর্তে সেখানে বক্তারা বক্তব্য রাখছেন। আমরা সরাসরি যুক্ত হব সেখানে।
Scientist and journalist Mirza Ghulam Hafiz was elected president, and under his inspiration leadership, the society expanded its activities and gained widespread public support. The Liberation War of 1971 temporarily halted the society's work. However, even during this difficult period, Mirza Ghulam Hafiz demonstrated an unwavering commitment to Bangladesh-China friendship. When the People's Republic of China was admitted to the United Nations on 25th October 1971, he sent a message of congratulations to the Chinese leadership and people, a gesture that received wide recognition in both Bangladesh and China. Following Bangladesh independence, the Friendship Society remained inactive until China officially recognized Bangladesh. During the 1975 United Nations General Assembly, Mirza Ghulam Hafiz played an important role alongside Justice Abu Said Choudhury and Chinese representatives in discussion that led to China's recognition of Bangladesh on 4 October 1975. Diplomatic relations were formally established between the two countries. Soon after, the organization was revived as the Bangladesh-China Friendship Association, with Mirza Ghulam Hafiz serving as its president. The association resumed activities, reviewed enthusiasm, and received formal approval from the